Welcome back guys to Tech Balance, and this is episode 6.2 of the ccna course. So I'm going to show you how to configure a VLAN, how to create VLANs in a switch. It's dead simple, so if you're interested, just hang around and I promise you won't regret it. So let's start the configuration. Let's just pick a simple switch. So there goes our switch. Let's open it. It's booting up. And let's start the configurations. Enable config terminal. VLAN. So let's create a VLAN that is called VLAN 2. And let's give it a name. The name will be let's go for a name like accounting. It might be in your organization you're creating an accounting VLAN. Accounting. So we have already created the VLAN 2, so it's already created. Let's try and configure it to a particular port in the switch. Let's pick a switch like first Ethernet 02. So let's configure it in first Ethernet 02. So exit switch port mode access switch port mode access. No, I forgot to mention the interface. So interface, we've said let's assume an interface like first Ethernet 02. So switch port mode access. Now let's configure VLAN 2 in interface first Ethernet 02. And this is how we'll do it with the following command: switch port access VLAN 2. And there we go. We finished it. So let's test if it was successful. Let's type the following command: show VLAN. And as you can see, here we go. VLAN 1 is always there by default. VLAN 2 was created. You can see 2 accounting and it's active. And it is configured to interface first Ethernet 02. So we've successfully created a VLAN and configured it to an interface. And you've seen, guys, it's very simple. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below. And let me catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you.